Hey Elton, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. These call to action buttons are super good. Those will help with your conversions. One thing that I'd recommend is making sure that you have more content on your homepage. And the reason is because Google has crawlers and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And so they are looking through all of this content for keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, you want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. And let's take a look at some keywords that you want to have embedded throughout. So what a keyword is what people are searching on Google. And the first thing that pops up here is the Google Map Pack section. And I see that you guys are there, so that's super good. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section, and so it's good to be ranking there. Now, if we scroll down, this is the organic listing, and the rest of the 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. Let's see if I see you. I don't see you on this first page for the organic listing. 90% of people will stay on this first page, so you want to be on the first page as high up as possible. So let's take a look at Powerlift, their website. Good call to action. It'd be super easy to beat them with the content. But let's take a look at both websites on the back end. So I have Powerlift plugged in here. So this is taken from Google data, and the UR and the DR, this is the authority and the trustworthiness of a website. And what makes up these numbers here are the backlinks. So they have 2.68 thousand backlinks coming from 166 referring domains. So something to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to have good high quality backlinks, that way you can boost these numbers. But if you have spammy backlinks, they will harm these numbers and bring them down. So Powerlift, they also have 732 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. As of right now, there's not enough data for the UR. There is a 0 DR. You have 7 backlinks coming from 2 referring domains with 7 keywords on your website. And so what I'd recommend is getting more high quality backlinks and then adding some good high quality buyer intent keywords on your website. And one way to get more good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go in here to Powerlift's backlinks that they have, and then you would handpick all of the good quality ones, and then you would link them to your website as well. And so if they're working for them, these backlinks are working for them, they would work for you as well. And so let's take a look at some of the keywords on their site. Let's see. So they have quite a few keywords. So they cover a broad range, but there are hundreds and hundreds of people searching for foundation repair. And so what I would recommend is making sure that you have more content on your homepage, more good quality backlinks to your website so that you can rank your website higher so that you are being found. And then make sure to add all the buyer intent keywords that you are wanting to be found for so that Google knows to connect you when people do search that in the search engine. And then just maintain your Google business profile being ranked in the Google Map Pack section. And then make sure it's ranked for all of the keywords that you want them ranked for. And then if you ever need any help with any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you. And I appreciate the time. Thank you.